Can you use your UCard on Amazon? Now, to some degree, you can use your UCard on Amazon, although it's very limited. UCard benefit does apply to things like over-the-counter medicine, right? So, over-the-counter medicine like Alert Energy, Prilosec, PC, Tylenol, things like these, your UCard benefit will apply. But if you want to use your UCard directly, you won't be able to do that. You can see there's gonna be a couple of forum posts here that has said that UCard is not supported. You can see on here, I'll read moments ago, within 40 minutes, I spoke with 5 Amazon agents and all swear the card can be added, but attempts failed. So, unfortunately, it is not possible to use your UCard directly. You can enjoy the benefits of UCard, like getting discounts and things like that. That is possible with OTC or over-the-counter medicine, but you cannot use it directly. If you want an alternative where you can use your UCard directly, I do recommend Walmart. Walmart does allow you to use your UCard directly, and you can also enjoy its benefit, not like Amazon. So if you're looking for a place where you can use it directly, then I do recommend switching over to Walmart.